I am so bored.
I know, there is nothing to do today.
I can't think of one thing to do today.
I know. We can paint the refrigerator.
I like this idea.
I don't know, guys. That actually sounds like one of your worst ideas you've ever had.
What? Why?
I'll tell you. 1, you're a bad painter.
2,
It's gonna be expensive. And 3, who paints a refrigerator?
1, I'm a great painter. All mine. 2, it can't be that expensive. And 3, we'll be pioneers. We will be the first people in the world ever to paint their refrigerator. Don't you want that on your resume?
I'm with you. I think it's a good idea.
Oh.
But what color do we paint it?
Huh, that is the important question.
How about we paint it in yellow in honor of the Super Bowl champs?
Yes. Yes, this is a good idea.
So the width is 2.25 feet, and the length, the length is also 2.25 feet. Now what's the height? And the height is 5.2 feet. Sound good? One pint covers 40 square feet. $5.99? What a deal for a can of paint! Well, great job, guys. The fridge looks beautiful.
You know what, you two? You were right.
Yeah, we were. Now let's fill it with food.